No hogs were harmed in the filming of this video, except one. I'm going to take these out. These are pork chops. I have heard that the flesh of hogs is very similar to people. So we're going to take these and put them in here in between these strips of cloth, and then if the bullets hit these strips of cloth, this will represent clothing. So we'll take, I think I'll take 2 of them and put them over here. Because we aren't going to get a very big group of shots. All right, these are hollow points, and they're 115 grain and 9mm. And I'm going to be shooting it out of this gun here, and I will show the gun. All right, this is a CPX2 Generation 3 9mm SCCY. Okay, first of all, we're going to do 10 yards. And I put several layers of cloth over top of it. Now we'll check it. This one over here hit right there. So at least one of them hit it, sort of a glancing blow, I would guess you would say. Okay, there it's very clear it hit it. This was rounded up like this, so it hit right there. I think that one hit up here. Now I'm going to try 20 yards. Basically, I can't tell where those two hit. Okay. Yeah, one hit right here. All right, what I did was I took this clip out and then I unloaded it by sliding this back. Now when you slide this slide back, you have to, at the same time as you're pulling it back, you have to at the same time push this lever right here up. So that's what I did, and now I'm going to take this pin out. But once you get it, the slide back, then you take this pin out. This is plastic, looks like. All right, now what do we do? Oh, okay. Take it off that way. All right. Well, you got the spring in there. And from the videos that I've seen, you want to lubricate it right here. And so you're going to put your gun oil on there. Now you just, from what I have seen, you cannot just use regular oil. I could be wrong about that, but from what I've seen, that's what you use is gun oil, and it goes right on this slide. And then also in here and right here is part of the slide also. And you don't want to get too much gun oil all over the place. All right, now I figured out how to get this thing apart. Okay, you got to push this forward. All right, and then tilt it up like this. Then you're able to take the barrel out and this spring. Now, being a carpenter, I know that you have to keep things in order. So I'm going to put the spring here, and it goes like this. Put the slide up here, put the barrel, how it goes, and keep everything in order. Well, that's about all I'm going to do. I'm going to oil it a little bit and then put it back together. I'm not going to take the trigger group apart and all of this other, all these little things here. I'm not going to take it all apart. Okay, you're going to have a gun cleaning kit, and right here is the gun oil. Now this one is made by Outers, O-U-T-E-R-S, but there's other ones that are probably just as good. So here's the gun oil. Okay, now we're going to put some oil on the slide. I've seen already in here that it has metal shavings there. Well, just wipe that off. There, that should be good enough. Alright, now we got to put this back together. Okay, I was wondering if I had this spring in the correct position. There's a small end to this spring, and this small end goes right there. Alright, you have to line up this hole, this sort of C-shaped area, with this pin. So we'll put it on like this, try it again. Now you have to pull this back and push this lever up at the same time. Like that. Okay, now I've got to pull the barrel forward until that area is lined up, and you can see it in there. Okay, then put this pin in. Okay, now we'll try it. Alright, now we're talking. That's good. Okay, now take this, put it in here. Okay, now it's loaded. That's how you do it. Push the barrel back after this slide lock is on and the slide is clear back here. Then line that barrel up with this pin. Put the pin in the barrel. Okay, now this is at the right position here. It's correct. So now it's ready to go.